Oh, well, I thought you wanted it too.
No, like, it just, like, had the side of you.
Oh. Oh, okay. Well, look here. Man. Are you taking a picture?
Maybe.
But are you taking pictures of Haley or me? Okay, I really don't appreciate you guys taking pictures of me. My evil stare.
Do it again. Look at these pictures. Haley, evil stare.
No.
Please stare me down.
You don't look evil. No, I don't look like you're trying to...
That looks seductive, Haley. He wants you.